Hello, so today we will try to remove the shaft for a Dewalt cordless drill. We are starting with a Torx screwdriver by unscrewing the screw from the inside of the chuck. After the screw is unscrewed, you need to take it out, and you can see that it's a counterclockwise screw. Okay, now we can try to put the Allen key into the chuck and try to screw the chuck counterclockwise, and sometimes that helps. And sometimes I use the wrench. And now I've got it with my hands. We have the check removed. The new check can be put it the same way, almost same way as the old was removed, and of course not forgetting the screw. And that's all. That was easy. Check remove for the board drill. Same can be made for Bosch, Milwaukee, Hilti, Makita, and so on.